Green apples, with their crisp texture and tart flavor, offer more than just a refreshing bite. They bring a wide range of health benefits that make them an excellent choice for everyday wellness. Often overshadowed by their sweeter red counterparts, green apples stand out not only for their distinctive taste, but also for their nutrient profile, which may offer unique advantages for digestion, metabolic health, and oral hygiene. While red apples are typically associated with sweetness and general popularity, green apples have quietly earned a reputation as the smarter choice for those looking to balance blood sugar, support gut health, and even protect their teeth. One of the key features that distinguishes green apples from red varieties is their lower sugar content. While all apples contain natural sugars, green apples tend to be less sugary and slightly higher in fiber, especially in varieties like Granny Smith. This makes them a better option for people managing blood glucose levels or those aiming to reduce overall sugar intake without sacrificing fruit entirely. The balance of fiber and lower sugar also makes green apples more satiating, helping to curb appetite and reduce the likelihood of overeating, a valuable trait for those watching their weight or aiming to maintain consistent energy throughout the day. Green apples are particularly beneficial for digestive health, thanks to their ample supply of dietary fiber. A medium green apple contains about 4 grams of fiber, most of it in the form of soluble pectin. Pectin acts as a prebiotic, feeding beneficial gut bacteria and promoting a balanced microbiome. It also helps regulate bowel movements and can ease symptoms of both constipation and diarrhea by absorbing water in the intestines. For individuals with sensitive digestion or irregular bowel habits, incorporating green apples into the diet can help support smoother, more predictable gut function. Another underrated benefit of green apples lies in their impact on dental health. The crisp texture and natural acidity of green apples stimulate saliva production, which helps neutralize harmful bacteria in the mouth and reduce the risk of plaque buildup. Chewing a firm apple also offers a gentle scrubbing effect on the teeth, making it a natural ally for keeping the mouth cleaner between brushings. While the acidity can be a concern if consumed excessively, potentially eroding enamel over time, eating green apples in moderation and rinsing with water afterward can preserve their dental benefits while minimizing risks. In addition to fiber and antioxidants, green apples contain a modest but valuable amount of vitamin C, which supports immune function, skin health, and collagen production. They also provide small doses of potassium and vitamin K, contributing to heart rhythm regulation and bone health, respectively. The fruit's polyphenol, plant compounds that combat oxidative stress, are especially concentrated in the skin, making it important to consume green apples unpeeled when possible. These polyphenol may have anti-inflammatory effects that support metabolic function and help reduce the risk of chronic conditions like type 2 diabetes and cardiovascular disease. Comparing green apples with red apples brings out some interesting contrasts. Red apples, such as Red Delicious or Fuji, are generally sweeter and often contain slightly higher levels of antioxidants like anthocyanins, which are concentrated in their red skin. They may appeal more to those who prefer dessert-like fruits or use apples in baking. Green apples, on the other hand, excel in functional uses, better for blood sugar regulation, preferred in salads for their firmness and tartness, and less likely to spike cravings due to their restrained sweetness. In short, red apples are more indulgent, while green apples lean toward practicality and health optimization. Green apples also perform well in the kitchen beyond the raw snack. Their tart flavor holds up in both sweet and savory recipes, making them ideal for apple slaws, chutneys, and pies where a sharper fruit note is desired. When baked or stewed, green apples retain more of their structure and a pleasing tang that complements both meats and grains. Their acidity balances richness and adds brightness to dishes in a way that sweeter apples cannot. Even in juices and smoothies, a bit of green apple can add a refreshing edge that enlivens the overall flavor profile without overwhelming it with sugar. In summary, green apples are a prime example of how a fruit can offer not just enjoyable flavor but targeted health benefits. Their low sugar content, high fiber, and crisp texture make them ideal for digestive support, blood sugar regulation, and even dental care. While red apples have their own strengths, green apples hold a unique place as the tart, energizing, and quietly powerful option. They are not only a convenient snack, but a versatile addition to a nutrient-conscious diet, proof that a little tartness can go a long way in supporting vibrant health.